Hello everyone. Do you know where I'm going? I am going to the mailbox because I received my fall planting bulbs. And my little Jace is accompanying me. I had to shave him down completely because he was skunked. Come on, honey, no more. We gotta get to the mailbox. Come on, come on. For those who don't know, I have a grooming channel called Dog Grooming with Elizabeth Jen. So if ever you're interested to go meet me there also. I've been running the channel since 2023, I think. So anyhow, let's get the bulbs. We're almost there, Jace. Come on. All right. So here it is. A second, I'm just gonna open this. I got a box. Oh, there you go. Hang on, guys. I got this. I got a nice box. Oops. Got a nice box. I'm not going to show you my address, but there it is. I'm so anxious to get home. I got my box. I got my box. I'll show you guys what flowers they are. Okay, so I am unboxing this right now. I'm going to show you the bulbs that I got. Persica, is that what it's called? Persica. Persian bells. I got, oh, there's one in there. Look at that. It's huge. How many of these did I get? Hang on, let's see. I only got one? No, I didn't just get one. Okay, hang on. So I got these here. These are the anemone. I don't know if I'm saying these words properly. Anemone, is that it? Anemone, maybe? Anemone. I think that's how I heard it pronounced, anemone. Oh, so there's 5 in each, so I have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I heard that some of these bulbs, I'm not sure which ones, but some can actually affect your it can burn, or I don't know. I'd be surprised that I got only one. It'd be real. Oh no, see, I didn't get only one. Oh, these are just gorgeous. That bulb is so huge. I'm anxious to plant these, guys. And they'll show up in the spring. So I got 3. I'm pretty sure I got 3. No more than 3. I got these North Pole tulips here. Fringed tulips. Look at that. These are going to be really nice. There's 6 of these in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. And these, by the way, the anemone, these are, I think these are poppies. Is it a type of poppy? Is that it? Let me know in the comments. I'm not sure if that's a type of poppy. Or if it's the anemone is a flower in itself. Look at how huge these are. These are the alliums. I got a few of these. These are huge. Look at that bulb, guys. Here are some North Pole again. So that makes a 6, 12. I think I got 12 of these. Oh, that's gonna be beautiful. Mixed with all these purples. I just love it, guys. Foxtail lily. Now these, there's only one. It's a rhizome. Is that what it's called? Is that what that's called when it's like this? But it's got like pokey sticks all around them. I think that's called a rhizome. Let me maybe read it. Does it say? No, it doesn't say. Summer flowering. All right, so these are perennials, guys. This comes back every year. Foxtail lily, they're just so pretty. So I got 2, I gotta have a third one for sure. I have 3. Unless I got 5, I don't remember. So I got 3 of these, 4. Okay, I gotta have 5. I have 5 for sure. There you go. Okay, so I got 5 of these. I know I have 3 alliums. I've got alliums, the foxtail lily. I got 5 of these. And these alliums are pretty tall also. I just gotta see exactly how I'm going to arrange this. Foxtail lilies are right here. Oh, I forgot to show you. I got these yesterday when I went to get some more dirt. I got these at the store yesterday. They're hyacinth. It's jacinthe in French. Sometimes sometimes these English words escape me. I'm going to see how to pronounce that. Hyacinth. I always call them a jacinthe in French. So, yeah, I got these, and there's 8 of them. But I also got ordered some online. They are the purple ones, the dark purple ones. So I'm thinking it's the same ones. But anyhow, there's some white and some light purple, and I'm wondering if the darker ones are the purple, and the white bulbs, if those are the white ones. I would kind of figure. I don't know. So I got those, but those are not very tall. So I got the anemone. That's how to pronounce it. I'm pretty sure, guys. And I've got these tulips here. I didn't just get 2 tulips. Oh, okay, I got 2, but there are 12. They say after 7, I think after 7, because when you're planting, you do either 1 of the same, 3 of the same, 5 of the same, 7 of the same. And then I think after 7, you can do what you want. I think that's what it was. But you know what? You can always do what you want because it's your garden. But I'm just, trying to go with the flow and see how things are done. Sorry for my mess here. I have a very light mess here outside of my gardening table. This is my husband makes all of the food here when we eat outside. So, okay, so these are 60 centimeters, 24 inches. So these are the same height. These 2 are the same height. These are tiny. I know these are tiny, so that goes in front. So these will be in the back for sure. And how about these? 80 centimeters, 32. Oh, wow. These are even taller than these. So if we're going, wow, that's loud. So if we're going height-wise, these are going to go in front of those, and those will be together somehow. But I'm not going to plant them all in the same spot, guys, depending. These are 40 centimeters, so we're going down 40, and these are 50. So I should have placed myself in the other direction. They say here that I need to plant when the ground is below 16 Celsius, usually October or November. So I'm gonna wait. Okay, so these are the foxtail lilies. Every one of them is so different. This one is saying that the soil requirements, okay, sandy soil is ideal, well drained. Soil should be well dug and, okay, manured. So I have to add manure for this one. I have to add some thick mulch on top of this one to protect it. So each of them has a different, I'm not going to go through all of them, but each of them have different ways of planting them in different times. I'm pretty sure that I have to wait for these bulbs to plant them. I got to think about it. So I just found out that I have till December to plant these bulbs. So I'm gonna try to figure out where I want to plant them, and I have to wait. I have another order coming in, so I would not want to plant them right now. I want to be sure the other order that's coming in that I can really plan all of those flowers together. So I guess I'm gonna get planting. I got those grasses to plant. Will I plant those grasses? Will it ever come? I'm gonna need a yay whenever I plant those grasses. Probably gonna do that right now. Let's go do that. I gotta go do that. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I learned a lot about bulbs today, so take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.